Emails are a great way to communicate with your customers, and sending personalized emails can improve engagement over generic emails. But we can make emails more impactful by sending personalized images instead of just personalized text. Emails sent to multiple customers are usually static because it's not practical to personalize them for each and every customer, especially on a high scale. With Cloudinary, however, it's possible to create dynamic images based on customer data and even send them in emails. The Cloudinary API allows you to transform images, to crop them, overlay text, and even add images on top of other images. The Node SDK makes it easy to do all these things and more inside a Node.js application. Let's start off with a simple Node.js project that has customer data in this JSON file. It's using NodeMailer to send personalized text based on a customer's name and interest. We can load different images from Cloudinary and apply transformations such as cropping the image and overlaying text. I've renamed a bunch of images in Cloudinary based on user interest data to make things easier, but this would also work by using your existing recommendation logic. And this is what the emails look like when they're sent. They look good. However, showing a personalized product that the customer is interested in would boost their engagement. Let's first add the layer apply flag and position the overlay text to the northeast. Then overlay a product image, crop it to a width of 315 and a height of 250. Then position it to the southeast and add a white border. Finally, we'll add a call to action, which would be text that says view store, and place it to the southeast as well, but below the image. And if we test this out, we can see that the image is now personalized based on the customer's interest. Wow, this looks awesome. And we can see that each user gets a personalized product image based on their interest. Now that you know how to create dynamic images for emails, in the next video, we're going to learn how to upload multiple images to Cloudinary using the Node SDK.